Hello everybody and welcome to this English lesson. So today we are going to see the present perfect. Okay. So first we are going to start with the form. So the form of the present perfect is the pronoun plus the verb to have in present simple and then the verb in past participle. So the form with I, we, they, you is have and he, she, it with has. Okay, the use. So we use the present perfect when we talk about a period of time that continues from the past until now. Okay, let's see some examples. I have lost my key. So here we have the verb to have and the verb to lose in its past participle form. So I have lost my key. So I lost my key in the past and the result of the action is in the present. Now I am without my key. Some more examples. Dave. So this is a conversation between Dave and Jane. Dave, have you traveled a lot, Jane? Jane, yes, I've been to lots of places. Dave, really? Have you ever been to China? Jane, yes, I've been to China twice. Dave, what about India? Jane, no, I haven't been to India. So here Dave and Jane are talking about the places Jane has visited in her life, which is a period that continues until now. Okay, we also use the present perfect to express new information. Okay, to express new information. This is very common when we report news, for example. Examples. Oh, I've cut my finger. So as you can see in this picture, so this is a new information that has just happened. Another example, the road is closed. There's been an accident. So this is a shortened way to say there has been. Okay? So the road is closed, there's been an accident. So this is a new information. Another example, police have arrested 2 men in connection with the robbery. So we use the present perfect also when we give new information. Okay, another point. When we use the present perfect, there is a connection with now. The action in the past has a result now. Examples, where's your key? I don't know, I've lost it. So, I have lost my key in the past. But the result of the action is in the present because now I'm without my key. I can't find my bag. Have you seen it? So this is the same thing. I lost my bag in the past and now in the present I'm without it. I'm looking for it. He told me his name, but I have forgotten it. So I forgot his name in the past, but now at the present moment I don't know his name. I have forgotten it. Okay, so a summary for all. So we use the present perfect when we talk about a period of time that continues from the past until now. We use it also to express new information, and we use it when there is a connection with now. The action in the past has a result now. So now we come to the end of our English lesson, so I hope you have enjoyed it. I'll see you next time. Take care and bye-bye.